So, and the market turning. Yes, it's turning into our favorite color. It's green. And therefore, where's my light? Where is my light? Guys, I don't know. Where is my remote to turn the studio, obviously, in green light? Okay? When the stock market is green, we are turning green here. So yeah, welcome back to a brand new live stream. And today we are talking about 3 big reasons why space is still the best stock, in my personal opinion, that you can buy, because there are some really great things coming up, okay? And I don't see any other stock that actually has this opportunity in this March. Still like 2 weeks left, and still it seems to be the best buy for your buck. Now, but before we diving into that, as you can see here, the markets just recovered a little bit. You know, here it looked like a double down day, but then the Nasdaq turned green, or almost green. Then the Dow went up, the S&P went almost green. As you can see here, Virgin Galactic also went into green. Same goes for Tesla. So as you can see, the market adjusting a little bit to what Federal Bank just released as a statement. And guys, you know, I don't know, it was basically kind of clear that there will not be big changes, which will then gives you know, the market's turmoil. This was my expectation. You know, I thought like, okay, the market is a little bit of let's say sensitive because of the 10-year bond yield rising, and you know, but once we have clarity from the Fed, we should have seen maybe more stability back into the market, and then, you know, the stock market can go a little bit higher, or specifically tech sector as well. But let's have a look, because CNBC here has just a statement. As you can see here, some removed, let's say, words was replaced by a little bit yeah, other words, you can say. Okay, so the most important thing that, you know, they are saying that it's the sectors most adversely affected by pandemic remain weak. Inflation continues to run below 2%, which is their let's say unbelievable, and you know, things that or people think that they cannot hold this inflation for just below that, but the Fed sees still the inflation below 2%. You know, then they have put the following in the moderation in pace of recovery, and indicators of economy activity, employment have turned up recently, although the sectors most adversely affected by the pandemic, and so on and so forth. So, you know, basically, as you can see here, nothing much changed, right? I mean, everything else stays the same. So you can see here that you are pretty clear what the Fed is standing for. They are standing still for low interest. There will be a press conference though, because the Fed just met the last 2 days, and this obviously will be put into the statement, and then Fed Chairman Jerome Powell will speak later on. So if you are interested into that, make sure to stay tuned on your favorite news, financial news channel, CNBC, Yahoo Finance. All of them will broadcast that live for sure, guys. Okay, But now let's dive into Virgin Galactic, why it's so interesting in my personal opinion. So first, there is technical sector, okay? The technical side of the stock is exactly here. So they should, as much as possible, try to go above 34, because this would be another potential right then further to, you know, maybe 43 levels. So here you can see this resistance here. We went a little bit higher. Here was a big sign because it exited this downwards trend, and now it's fighting against this what is it, $34 mark. So once they break through that, you can see that they have still room to run even up to $43-44. Okay, so this is catalyst number one. The second, which is my personal opinion, my favorite, is the Spaceship 3 reveal on the 30th of March, which obviously, as much as possible from my side, I will try to live stream this event, because as you know, usually on those days where we have this kind of moves, we are having also moves on the stock itself. So this will be quite interesting. This kind of interesting also how they will do the event. Will it be a digital event, or they will, you know, film something physical? Will they show us the let's say inside of the spaceship? All of these questions would be quite interesting to know, and we will know them on the 30th of March. Okay, then I want to make sure to just welcome some of our favorite people here. We have Mario from Italy, we have Dennis from Sydney, we have William from Dubai apparently, we have Rafael from Portugal, we have people here from all around the world. So thank you very much for that. And now let's dive into the last catalyst, but make sure to also give me a like and a follow on my Instagram, Wolf of Dubai Danny, where I'm talking about stocks every single day and also sharing a little bit about my life. So something quite interesting to watch as well. And obviously Twitter as well is quite something that I use very often recently as well. So back to the last catalyst is actually, you know, the ARK Invest. Okay, ARK Invest is one of the most successful ETFs out there, or ETF management companies. So you can see here that they are you know, preparing. We talked about that, about their space exploration ETF. They're still not quite, let's say, sorry, that's not the one, right? That's I don't think that's the one. I don't know even if they have it on their website. But anyway, the ARK X fund. Okay, so the ARK X fund, there is still no information when this fund will go live. I hope as soon as possible, because I think that the Virgin Galactic stock will definitely be one of the most important parts here for the further success of Virgin Galactic. So you can see here that Katie Wood's ARK plans this ARK X you know, ticker ETF, where they will put, you know, stocks inside that are, you know, into this industry. I think this is something very interesting. So it's definitely something to watch. It was expected to be live somewhere maybe in March, still not. So we still have 13 days to go in March. So let's see what this will bring us. I think that those are three very, very great catalysts for the Virgin Galactic team out there just in this remaining of the month. So stay tuned. You can get in early, I believe, in my personal opinion, on space. Even though we are space early investors, guys, as you know, We have also some people from Ukraine, Germany as well, and USA. Then the Juan is actually asking a question, which is, do you believe the flight will take place in May, or shall we have another delay? I think if everything goes well, Juan, then I think the flight will definitely happen in May, which I hope it will. Okay, here are my social media tags. This is my 10x masterclass if you want to get into the Discord for lifetime, guys, and the video course and a full case study for Virgin Galactic will be soon dropped there as well, so get in early. I wish you a rest. Fantastic. And Gallardo Steve from Holland is also just joined. So yeah, thank you very much for tuning in. I see you obviously tomorrow as every single day here on this channel. Stay tuned and take care, future astronauts. I wish you all the best and a very, very successful remaining training week. Trading week. Thank you.